of meat. They have beef soup bones with meat. So this is the nice one to make a beef soup. So I have 2 packets in here. A little bit expensive, but it's worth it. Ingredients for the beef soup, and this is the meat. You cut it a little bit, and they got bones in it, so you're gonna cook that too. Vegetable, cabbage, and the potato. Make sure you need to soak the water, because if you don't wanna soak, it become a different color. I have my banana, peppers, bouillon cubes. I wanna use only one. Tomatoes, green onions with the head, and then the green onions other one, the garlic and the ginger. You need to smash the ginger a little bit. Seasoning is only salt, black pepper, and everyone. I'm making a beef soup. I put the garlic and the head of the onion. Make a beef soup. I'm gonna put some meat in there, especially the bones. There we go. And the meat. And just put like this. And cover for the lid for the 1 minute. You need to stir until the meat like purple color. Okay, this is it. Now this is the time to put the water in here. I need to add more because I need a lot of soap there. And put the cover. We need to wait until they're bubbling. Okay guys, it's already bubbling. Here we go. When you see this, you need to take out this, because this is the blood. Take out in here. Doing this just like paper towel so that it's soaked in there. Then I need to put the lemongrass in there for now. Then it become tender. That's the one you need to put all seasoning. It takes time to make soup, guys. Then put the potato in there. I'm gonna open it, and the ginger, bouillon cubes. Cover again. Okay. Try if they are cooked. Little tender now. So if you make soup, make sure it's early before your dinner. Okay, it takes time to boil. Put the tomatoes. My goodness, oregano. They're in there. Let's see what is the taste. Wow. Put a little pinch of salt, lots of black pepper. Set. Cover for now. Alright. Time to put the bell pepper in there. There we go. After 1 minute, put this. Banana peppers. Make sure the bell pepper is cooked all the way. Alright. They're cooked now. Time to put the cabbage. This is it. Then I put a little bit of cornstarch. Last is the green onion. There we go, guys. Hope you like my beef soup. And put another black pepper. Yummy. Ooh. It's like I'm in the Philippines. I'm sorry. This is beef soup. Sorry my accent. Hope you understand my accent. I'm gonna try the soup in there. Yummy. Yummy, guys. This is it. Beef soup. Hope you like my beef soup. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Take care and God bless.